Hello guys, welcome to Bright Learners. So let's see Madame Bovary, Gustave Flaubert का famous novel. There are some novels that shock because they are dramatic and other that disturb because they are honest. कुछ जो नॉवल हमें शॉक कर देते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत ड्रामेटिक होते हैं, कुछ नॉवल पढ़ के जैसे हमें डिस्टर्ब करते बिकॉज दे आर वेरी ऑनेस्ट. मैडम बावरी बिलोंग्स टू द सेकेंड काइंड. When Gustave Flaubert published this novel in 1856, it caused the outrage in France. He was taken to be court on the charge of immorality, accused for the corrupting public morals. मतलब उन्हें लिटररी कोर्ट ले जाएगा, कोर्ट में चार्जेस एलिगेशन लगाए गए कि ये हमारे सोशल मॉरल्स के खिलाफ है. So, it what unsettled society was not scandalous scenes but the uncomfortable truth. The novel revealed about the desire, disappointment and the dangerous beauty of illusion. तो क्या था इस नॉवल में? तो एक unfulfilled desire, disappointment, dangerous beauty of illusion, and at the center of the story there is a Emma Bovary. Emma is the central character. एक यंग वुमेन है रेज ऑन द रोमांटिक नॉवेल्स दैट प्रॉमिस पैशन, लग्जरी लाइफ फील्ड विद द ग्रैंड इमोशंस. एंड उसकी शादी हो जाती है. शी मैरिज टू द चार्ल्स बावरी, अ सिंपल पर्सन, काइंड कंट्री डॉक्टर है वो, हु लव्स हर सिंसियरली बट लैक इमेजिनेशन एंड द इंटेंसिटी. मतलब है ना जैसे फिल्मों में फेरी टेल वाला प्यार एंड ऑल पैशन एमा का है. और ये बेचारा जो मिस्टर बावरी है, चार्ल्स बावरी, वो बोला सीधा साधा सिंपल सा एक कंट्री डॉक्टर है. फॉर एमा मैरिज बिकेम इज नॉट अ फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ ड्रीम्स बट अ क्वाइट सफोकेशन. एमा फील करती है काइंड ऑफ ए क्वाइट सफोकेशन बिटवीन मैरिज बिटवीन द बोथ. ओके, सो शी बिलीव्स हैप्पीनेस मस्ट बी ड्रामेटिक. हैप्पीनेस क्या है? मस्ट बी dramatic. She expected fireworks and poetry, instead the finds the routine and silence. है ना, उसे रेगुलर की जो जिंदगी है उसकी आफ्टर मैरिज वो सफोकेशन सी लगने लगती है. हर ट्रेजेडी डज नॉट बिगिन विथ sin और betrayal, it begins with the boredom. Emma longs for something greater than the life she has. Okay, she believes happiness, वो believe करती है कि happiness must be dramatic, extravagant, cinematic, जैसे फिल्मों में, मूवीज़ में like couples होते हैं, प्यार होता है. and when reality comes it refuses to resemble the novel she once devoured. She turned to affair and reckless spending in attempt to feel alive. But every passion fades, every promise weakens and every illusion dissolves into the disappointment. What she seek is not merely love but the transcendence, a feeling that her marriage matter. Flaubert geniusly lies in his restraint. He does not judge Emma openly, nor does he defend her. Okay, he simply observes her character, whatever the surgical precision. His prose is calm, detailed and exact, allowing to the reader. So this is how we call that it is a kind of a book review from me to witness the slow erosion of her dreams. There are not exaggerated speeches, no sentimental pleas. There is a quiet realism, the dust of provincial town, the dull repetition of social gathering, the emptiness that follows desire through his realism. So here गुस्ताव फ्लैबर्ट रीशेप्ड द मॉडर्न नॉवेल. उन्होंने प्रूव किया लिटरेचर कुड बी पावरफुल विदाउट बीइंग मेलोड्रामा. कोई ड्रामा सिनेमैटिक फीचर्स के बिना भी लिटरेचर पावरफुल हो सकता है, रियलिस्टिक थिंग्स को अगर दिखाए. वॉट मेक्स मैडम बावरी फील सो मॉडर्न इज एमास relentless comparison between her life and the imagined ideal. She measures her existence against the fantasies and finds herself lacking in it. Today world is curated perfection and constant compassion. और उसका जो स्ट्रगल है that feels she is not destroyed by love alone nor by the society alone but by the expectation. उसका जो कैरेक्टर है वो काइंड ऑफ बहुत सारे उसके एक्सपेक्टेशन है और एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड द रियल लाइफ जो है वो इम्बैलेंस हो जाती है. द वर्ल्ड इज़ नॉट ग्रैंड इनफ फॉर हर इमेजिनेशन because her imagination is too fragile for the world. Flaubert once famously said, Madame Bovary says Moe, in this declaration lies the novel lasting power. Emma is not just a character confined to the 19th century France. She is a reflection of the universal human dissatisfaction. Nowadays, human beings have the everything, still our desires not fulfilled. We are always chasing something new, so it is a symbol of dissatisfaction of the universal human that whispers we deserve something more, something brighter, something extraordinary. The novel does not scream its message, it unfolds that quietly, patiently until the weight of disillusionment becomes unbearable. When we read the Madame Bovary, it is not comfortable experience, but it is unforgettable. It forces us to confront the tension between the dream and reality, but who we are and who we wish to be. हम कौन हैं और हम क्या बनना चाहते हैं. It asks whether longing is sign of the ambition or the path towards ruin, and its cool, precise language it leaves us with the haunting awareness. And sometimes the most dangerous fantasies are not the dramatic opens but the ordinary dreams we quietly nurture within ourselves. This is how the very very famous and the kind of a good I advise you should go with the Gustave Flaubert's Madame Bovary novel.